My name is Tennille Dumas. I'm a graduate of the City Rescue Mission Life Builders Program. Before I came to the mission, I was homeless for about 2 years. My life was unmanageable. I was sleeping in cars from friend to friend house, sleeping on couches, the floors, whatever I can do, prostituting, whatever I needed to do to just live for that day. Life as I knew it was in black and white. When coming to City Rescue Mission, I found an environment of love, peace, and kindness, and it was just amazing. I now see life in color. Before it was just black and white. It was dark. Now the trees are green, the grass is green, the sky is blue. I feel the wind. I can smell the wind. It's like God just breathes on me daily. And I just want to thank, City Rescue Mission helped me find that. I'm now saved, clean, sober, and being the best mother and servant of God that I can be. And now serving as an alumni on the Alumni Association. And my plan is to give back to City Rescue Mission what they have given me through my service in any way that I can.